Hi, my name is Villalobosponce, and I will to talk about the mental maps and about DNA, RNA, lipids, and proteins. Well, the DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's a helically wound double helix. Its chemical composition is a pentose plus a nitrogenous base plus a phosphoric acid. The nitrogenous bases are adenine, cytosine, thymine, and guanosine. Okay. In almost all cellular organisms, DNA is organized in a chromosome located in the nucleus of the cell. The function of the DNA is carries the information necessary to direct the protein synthesis and replication. Well, the RNA is ribonucleic acid and is the molecule that is responsible for directing the intermediate stage of protein synthesis. It's a single-strand polynucleotide, and it's made up for a nitrogenous base, a pentose that is ribose, and a phosphate group. It's divided in messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA, and in almost case, heteronuclear RNA. It includes all the molecules of this type of recently synthesis, which are found in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. The proteins. The proteins are molecules made up of amino acids and are linked by peptide bonds. Are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and most also contain sulfur and phosphorus. The structure is primary, that is a sequence of amino acids. The secondary, that is chain folding polypeptides. The tertiary, and the quaternary, that is more than one polypeptide chain. Well, in lipids, their main characteristic is being hydrophobic, that is insoluble in water. Its biochemical classification is saponificable and unsaponificable lipids. Their biological functions are energy reserve, structural, biocatalysis, and thermal. In this role, lipids act as thermal regulator. In conclusion, the RNA is an essential part to help transfer the information of the DNA to the outside of the nucleus of the cell. The lipids are present in the cell membrane to create that permeability, and the proteins give structure and help the osmotic pressure of the cell. And this is